Welcome to Bagh School, Physics Department, Grade 7, Lesson number 20. Dear students, in this lesson we are going to discuss diseases spread by microorganisms, and in this lesson we will be able to understand that what are the diseases which are spreaded by microorganisms and what are their sources and the precautions which we should be taken. So, as we know that when the harmful microorganisms enter into our body, they produce harmful substances which is called toxins. Toxins and the toxin substances damage our body cells and make us feel ill. Like the toxins created by bacteria or viruses. This is called microbial toxins are toxins produced by the microorganisms, including bacteria and fungi. Microbial toxins promote infection and disease by directly damaging our body tissues and by disabling the immune system. The first example of the disease is tuberculosis, which is known as TB. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria that spread from person to person through microscopic droplets released into the air. This can happen when someone with the untreated active form of TB coughs, speaks, sneezes, spits, laughs, or sings. Although TB is contagious, it's not easy to catch. This bacteria grow inside the lungs, and over time it may make a person very weak and may die. Antibiotics drugs may kill them when used as prescribed by the doctors. So the TB actually, you can see how it is spreading. The very tiny droplets coming out from the infected person may enter into the healthy person by air or by breathing. So we should avoid, if someone is infected, he should almost cover his face by the mask, and particularly while sneezing or talking, he should cover his face so that the droplets are not spreading into the air. Then the second disease is malaria, which is caused by a protozoan microbes which live in the blood. The parasites are spread to people through the bites of infected female mosquitoes called malaria vectors. Sometimes protozoan infect the brain, which is very dangerous. This is the picture of mosquito. It sucks the blood from the body and also transfer the protozoan into the body. And the third one is influenza. What causes the influenza, which is a form of flu? The flu is caused by influenza viruses that infect the nose, throat, and lungs. These viruses spread when people with flu cough, sneeze, or talk, sending droplets with the virus into the air and potentially into the mouth or noses of the people who are nearby. Virus can only be seen by electron microscope because they cannot be seen by naked eye. They are very small. So virus shows their characteristics only when they are in living cells. Otherwise, they do not show any characteristics. So when they are in living cells, They multiply there, copy themselves, and when the cell is full of millions of these viruses, it bursts out to spread infection in the body. So these are three common diseases which are spread by microbes. So we should be very conscious if we are infected by any of these diseases. We should not, we should rather isolate ourselves, and we should remain at home. We should not go outside so that other people may remain safe. So the cold, flu caused by viruses, the nose becomes stuffy, there may be coughing, sore throat, and sometimes it is very difficult in respiration. So this was the these are the diseases which we have discussed, and in the next lesson we will be discussing how the diseases can be cured, spread by microbes. Thank you very much.